Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Argo Academic Care. Today we will discuss about 5th week Islam and Moral Studies assignment for class 6. First we read the question. Question number 1. What we can learn from the caliphate system of Hazrat Umar Rajallahu in establishing justice and good governance in society. Analyze it according to your textbook. Then question number 2. Hazrat Umar Rajallahu was the embodiment of a ruler as a subject. Explain it. Here subject means proja. Here subject means proja. Answer number 1. So question, what we can learn from the caliphate system of Hazrat Umar Rajallahu in establishing justice and good governance in the society is Hazrat Umar Rajallahu was the second Khalifa of Muslim world. His governance system was very good. He would execute the administration of the country according to the message of Allah and idols of his Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. He would say everybody equal in the eyes of the law. He had given severe punishment to his own son Abu Shahama for the offense of drinking. There was no want or death in the state during his caliphate. He was very strict in establishing justice. At the same time, he was very soft and sympathetic about the sufferings of people. He was very strong in executing law. He introduced the postal system and established a realistic administration based on equality and justice. In brief, it may be said that Hazrat Umar Rajallanhu's simplicity and sense of duty was the ideal of his life. Sense of justice and earnestness was the motto of his rule. What we can learn? Number 1, we will establish justice. Number 2, we will not take any part in the cage of justice. Then number 3, we will treat everyone equally. Number 4, we will treat well with everyone. Number 5, we will work for the welfare of others. And number 6, above all, we will build ourselves as an ordinary person. Then question number 2, Hazrat Umar Rajallahu was the embodiment of a ruler as a subject. Explain it. Again I am saying that here subject means proja. Answer number 2. Hazrat Umar Rajallahu was the embodiment of a ruler as a subject. It is explained. Hazrat Umar Rajallahu was the second Khalifa of the Muslim world. He was born in an ancient clan of the Quraysh tribe in 583 AD. He was very sympathetic about the sufferings of people. After electing Khalifa, he expanded Muslim empire. In ruling the empire, he followed the principles of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. To him, everybody was equal in the eye of the law. He was very strict in establishing justice. He used to inquire about the condition of the walking around the quarters at dead of night. He saw the condition of his subjects with his own eyes. Whenever there was a need, he even carried foodstuff on his shoulder for distribution among the poor and suffering people. During his reign, there was no want or indigence in the empire. Besides, it was a rare incident for a ruler to set a servant up on a camel and take up the rope in his own hand and walk. So we can say that there he was the embodiment for a ruler as a subject. So dear students, if you want to get the next assignments very quickly, please like, share and comments on our video. And do not forget to subscribe our channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz.